Jeremy Vine, 56, has revealed anti-vaxxers showed up at his family home and served his wife a writ over the BBC's support of the coronavirus vaccine. The large group of people, who called themselves the Resistance, showed up at his front door in London today. They wanted to issue the notice of liability and were going to take the street if his wife Rachel Schofield didn't accept the document. Jeremy shared a video on Twitter and wrote, "I'm not at home at the moment, so these guys just served an anti-vax writ on my wife instead. They are angry at the BBC's #COVID vaccine reporting. They were polite, for which I'm grateful, but coming to my home on a Sunday? And I'm a little unnerved by the heavy breathing too," he added. A second video showed a big group of people gathering on the street near his house. A voice could be heard saying the group would take the whole street if Jeremy didn't answer his door. Jeremy tweeted, "I have only just seen this. If my wife hadn't accepted the anti-vax writ on my behalf, this group waiting near my house would then have taken the whole street." The original video shows the street name and house number really clearly. "Always happy to engage but not like this." In the first video, a well-dressed man explains that their mission to issue the writ went well. "That went better than expected, so we don't need to make a huge point," the man said. A voice behind the camera said, "Fantastic, job done, guys, job done." The other video has someone saying they were going to knock on the TV presenter's door to hand over the notice. "If he just takes the notice, then we're going to leave," the person remarked. "It's all going to go off without incident, absolutely perfect," he said in the clip, which is understood to have been filmed before members of the group approached Mr. Vine's home. The man adds, "If he doesn't open the door, what we're going to do is we're going to bring all the boards down. We've got all our yellow boards and we're going to take the whole street with yellow boards and we're going to wait for the police to arrive, and when the police arrive we're going to get the police to assist us to deliver the notice of liability." A third video, posted by the same group of people, claimed any protests were peaceful and respectful. Jeremy then shared a group WhatsApp response from the anti-vaxxers to his original tweet, which contained a message from one user that read, "Wait till we come with the news, Jeremy." The BBC host typed in response, "These people are perhaps a little more scary than they first appear." #COVID vaccine. Anti-vaxxer refers to people who disagree with the use of vaccines for a variety of reasons. For example, some view vaccines as an infringement on their human rights. Vaccines are one of the safest and most effective health interventions for infectious diseases. They have had a staggering impact on reducing the burden of infectious cases worldwide,